English Concepts with Trish. Hey everybody, today we are talking about inside, outside, in front of, and behind. Let's start with some new words. Rabbit, crown, turtle, table, bed, dog, pig, cat, box, trash can. This is a rabbit. What color is it? Purple. And what color is this rabbit? Green. What color is this rabbit? Pink. And what color is this rabbit? This is a yellow crown. This is a red crown. This is a blue crown. And this is a white crown. The yellow crown is on the green rabbit. The red crown is on the yellow rabbit. The blue crown is on the pink rabbit. The white crown is on the purple rabbit. 4 rabbits and 4 crowns. Do you see what I see? It's a turtle. The turtle is on the back of the pink rabbit. This is a brown table. And here is the yellow rabbit wearing the red crown. The yellow rabbit with the red crown is on top of the table. The purple rabbit with the white crown is next to the yellow rabbit with the red crown on top of the table. The pink rabbit with the blue crown is under the table. And the green rabbit with the yellow crown is next to the pink rabbit with the blue crown under the table. This is a pig. The pig is pink and he likes to jump on the bed. Is that a good thing? No, pigs should not jump on the bed. This is a green pig. This is a blue pig. This is a gray pig. And this is an orange pig. They all want to jump on the bed too. So the green pig jumps onto the bed. The blue pig jumps onto the bed. The orange pig jumps onto the bed. This is too many pigs on the bed. And here comes the gray pig. He jumps onto all of the pigs onto the bed. Oh no! This is a trash can. And this is a black cat. The black cat is jumping onto the trash can. The black cat is on the trash can. The yellow cat is in the trash can. The blue cat is next to the trash can. And here comes a green cat. It is in front of the trash can. The black cat is on the trash can. The yellow cat is in the trash can. The blue cat is next to the trash can. And the green cat is in front of the trash can. On, in, next to, in front of. This is a brown box. And this is also a brown box. Two brown boxes, a left box and a right box. The two red dogs are behind the left box. And in the right box, a cat. A cat is inside the right box. And this cat is outside of the box. Inside, outside. The gray cat is inside, the other cat is outside. And the blue dog is in front of the box. In front, behind, inside, and outside. Kannst du dich an alle Worte erinnern? If you liked this video, please subscribe and tell your friends about me. Thank you.